Hi everybody, welcome to the 5-minute yoga a day body tone yoga flow. So we're starting in Tadasana, grounding the feet, drawing in on the inhale from the belly, relaxing the shoulders down, gaze looking ahead, floating the arms up over the head, and then exhaling, hinging forward at the hip, and have the bend in the knee here as we start off. Relaxing the neck, and then we step the left leg back and then the right as we come into high plank, drawing in the belly, making sure our bottom is not dipping down to the floor, and having our gaze looking ahead but to the floor, and keeping that alignment with the shoulders and the wrist. Push back, lift the tailbone up in the air into down dog. Inhale forward into plank. Exhale back into down dog, and repeat this, working the core. Pedal out the feet and take a good inhale and exhale in downward dog. Step the left leg into the air into three-legged dog, and then bring that knee to the top of the mat, stepping it through and raising the arms up above the head, grounding down with the feet into our high lunge. But we're going to inhale as we bring the arms down, bending that left knee, and exhale as we straighten that left leg. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, and then to interlace the hands behind the back. Stretch open that chest, raise the arms above the head. And then drop the hands either side of the foot and step back and take a rest in down dog. Inhale, lift up that left leg into three-legged dog, and then step the right leg forward as you come up into our high lunge again. Raising the hands in the air, inhaling as we bend that right knee, exhaling as we extend that right leg. Inhale down, exhale up, inhale, exhale. So you should feel a toning in the glutes, in the core, and in the abs. Stretching out the chest. Inhale, raise the arms up. Turn around to face the middle of the mat and exhale again into wide-legged forward fold. Relax the neck down as we take our chest and our gaze towards the left knee. Walking the hands round as we stretch the obliques, and then just turn that right foot forward as we inhale up into our low lunge this time, and we're just working out the arms. So we're inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, floating the arms out as we do in warrior 2. Inhale, hold, exhale, extend that right leg. Bring the hands towards the mat, step that right foot back, and again have a rest in down dog. Taking up the left leg this time, stepping it to the top of the mat. Inhale, raise the arms up. Exhale, arms horizontally. Inhale up, exhale out. Draw in that core on the inhale. Engage the thighs and the glutes and the arms. Find space. And push back to down dog. Relax the neck down. And very gently tiptoe up towards the top of the mat. Have a bend in the knee. Forward fold. This time you might be able to straighten the legs a little bit more and gently, vertebra by vertebra, peel yourself back up. Open up, find your foundation, your ground, into extended Tadasana. So just pushing those hips forward, back into prayer. Thank you so much for watching. So if you've enjoyed my video and you like what you see, then please subscribe, like and share with your friends.